Hi there. I'll start by adding this chicken breast to boiling water. I'll leave it there for a few minutes. Then we'll remove it and we'll start cutting it. And if you prefer, you can also shred it. Let's cut it in cubes. And guys, stick around till the end because you'll be surprised with the end result. Even I wasn't expecting it to be so good. Let's finish cutting it and it will look like this. Let's move it to another recipient and let's add the rest of the ingredients. I'll use 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of oregano, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of flour, and half a cup of milk. And we'll just mix everything up. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments where you're watching us from so I can send each one of you a big kiss when I'm done here. Now let's add a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. And we'll just mix it. Next, we'll move our chicken to another recipient, and I already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Now let's add some finishing touches. Let's add some zucchini slices. And look at that. I had never tried this recipe before and it was a major hit here at home. Next we're adding red pepper to give it a special touch. Just a reminder, this is completely optional. It will be delicious either way. Let's finalize it with some more grated cheese. Easy peasy, right? Not to mention delicious. Now let's add a pinch of oregano. Next, we'll take it to the oven for 25 minutes. And look at the result. Tell me, isn't it mouth-watering? It's an incredibly unique recipe and it's also nutritious and healthy. Try it at home because I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Check this out, guys. How delicious. I really hope you like this recipe. We made it with a lot of love. And if you did, don't forget to share it with all of your friends. Lots of love, and until the next recipe.